to baby Archie. We can't wait to see you soon. Excited na kami makasama at mayakap ka. Alam ko magulo ang mundo paglabas mo, pero hindi mo mararamdaman yon. Kasi bubusugin ka namin sa pagmamahal ni Papa at ni Ate. Sana lumaki kang may respeto sa mga babae katulad ng papa mo. Sana makita mo kung gaano tayo kamahal ni Papa. So, suportahan ka namin sa anuman ang maging desisyon mo pagdating ng panahon na yon. Pasensya ka na kung may mga bagay kaming hindi namin kayang ibigay sa inyo ni Ate. Pero pipilitin namin ni Papa magsumikap para maibigay lahat ng pangangailangan nyo. May you always know that you were wished for, prayed for, and will always be loved, anak. We love you.
When I found out I'll be having a boy, it made me happy and scared. Because the truth is, I've never been a perfect boy growing up. It scares me to think na I'll be raising little boy myself. But I do know that I make a good guardian for my family. Kaya I wanna raise my son to be the same. I wanna raise him to be selfless and first of all, may takot sa Diyos. This message is hindi lang siya para kay Archie, kundi para kay Althea rin. Sana, mahalin niyo kaming magulang niyo, kagaya ng pagmamahal ko sa mama niyo. I will give everything I have for you and Althea, and especially for your mother. Remember, you will fall, you will get scratched, you will hurt and you will cry. But know that Papa and Mama will always be behind you. Reach out if you need help. Even if you don't, reach out anyway. Always remember to do everything at your own pace. If you think you're going too fast, take a step back. Pag dumating sa point na it's time to talk about relationship, especially Thea, go kay mama mo. But for Archie, I got you. But I will leave you this though. It's from a very wise man that I know. Smile when they make you happy. Let them know when they make you mad. Miss them when they're not around. Because the truth is, everyone will hurt you. You just gotta find the one worth suffering for. Yun lang naman. And always smile and be happy.